Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Flashforge 3D printer for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Flashforge 3D printer for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you're looking to take your 3D printing experience to the next level, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a powerful, feature-packed choice that is gaining popularity among both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Here's why this 3D printer should be on your radar. One-click auto printing system. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro stands out with its intuitive one-click auto printing system, making the process of starting your 3D prints simpler than ever. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this system ensures that your prints begin with ease, saving you time and hassle. The printer automatically adjusts the settings and begins the print process with minimal input, making it perfect for those looking to streamline their workflow. High-speed printing at 600 millimeters per second. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 5M Pro is its impressive print speed. Capable of printing at speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer ensures that you can produce high-quality prints faster than ever before. This feature is especially beneficial for professionals who need to create prototypes or models quickly without compromising on the accuracy or finish. Quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle. The printer comes equipped with a quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, which adds a layer of convenience for maintenance and upgrades. With this feature, users can easily swap out nozzles for different materials or replace a worn-out nozzle without hassle. This flexibility ensures that you can explore a variety of filaments such as PLA, ABS, and flexible materials, expanding your creative possibilities. Core XY all-metal structure. The Core XY all-metal structure provides the Adventurer 5M Pro with enhanced stability and precision during prints. The all-metal design ensures a durable and sturdy frame, allowing for improved performance and reliability. The Core XY system reduces the weight of the moving parts, resulting in faster and more accurate printing, even during high-speed operations. Compact and versatile build volume. The 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume is perfect for a wide range of printing projects, from small models to more complex, larger items. Whether you're creating prototypes, educational models, or personal projects, this printer can handle it all, offering enough space for most creative needs while maintaining a compact footprint for any workspace. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a versatile, high-performance 3D printer that is easy to use, fast, and durable. With its advanced features like high-speed printing, quick nozzle detachment, and reliable Core XY structure, it's an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals who want to take their 3D printing projects to the next level. Thanks for watching the video.